Welcome to MLC College, where we empower individuals to build successful careers in healthcare. Our medical record management course is designed for those looking to make a difference in the healthcare industry. This program will provide you with essential skills in managing patient information, ensuring compliance with legal standards, and utilizing cutting-edge electronic health record systems. Whether you're just starting or advancing your career, our comprehensive course prepares you for success in the fast-evolving field of medical record management. Our medical record management course offers a comprehensive curriculum designed to equip you with the practical skills and knowledge needed to excel in healthcare administration. You'll learn to manage patient records efficiently, ensuring accuracy and confidentiality in every step. The course covers key topics such as legal and ethical standards in healthcare, the integration of electronic health records, EHR, and data security, critical components in today's healthcare environment. You'll also gain hands-on experience with the latest technologies and software used in record management. By the end of this course, you'll be prepared to contribute to the smooth and secure operation of any healthcare facility, from hospitals to private clinics. By enrolling in our medical record management course, you'll gain a range of key benefits that will set you up for success. First, you'll acquire real-world skills in managing medical records, ensuring you're ready to work in any healthcare setting. Our program also opens up exciting job opportunities in healthcare administration, hospital management, insurance companies, and more. With a growing demand for skilled professionals in the healthcare industry, you'll be prepared for a rewarding career. Plus, we offer flexible learning options, including both in-person and online courses, so you can balance your studies with your personal schedule. Whether you're a working professional or a full-time student, we make it easy for you to pursue your education and advance your career.